Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Push the light cover in at the sides to release the tabs, then push back to remove. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the control assembly. Disconnect the two wire connectors and detach the grounding wire. Prepare the new control assembly for installation by transferring the light bulb from the old assembly to the new one. Be careful not to damage the bulb by over-tightening. Connect the grounding wire to the tab and connect the two wire connectors. Align the assembly and thread the mounting screws. Realign the light cover and slide it into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.